Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today also we are discussing about Vedic math multiplication series. We have done lot of questions related to multiplication with different kind of multiplier and multiplicate. Okay, so and we also know how to derive a process with the help of conventional method. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can multiply with specific numbers very easily through Vedic maths. Okay, so in the earlier videos it's like a overall process we simplified. Now here for the specific numbers, if you choose like your multiply is a 5, how we can do easily, so that we are going to learn in this video. Okay, so let's take a few examples. Okay, so when we take our multiplicand as a very small number, then it doesn't show a lot of difference. But of course when you keep on increasing the multiplicand digits, then surely you are able to find a difference between direct multiplication and with this method. Okay, so the basic concept is very simple. You are multiplying by 5. So how we are doing, we will multiply with the 10 over 2. So what do you mean by 10 over 2, which is 5, right? So that's what we are doing in a different way. So we are not directly multiplying with the 5, we will multiply with the 10 and then we will find out the half of the number. So which is 125 for 25, sorry, for 25. And let's consider one more example, 316. So what I said, you just multiply this number 316 with the 10. So then just you need to append one extra 0 to the number, and then we need to find out the half of the number. It's very easy to find out the half of the number. Okay, so 10 over 2 means 5, right? So that's what we are doing, but in a different way. So 2 ones are 2. Okay, then we have remainder 1. So now the number is 11. So 5 2s are 10. Again remainder 1, 8 2s are 16. Then 0, we need to keep it 0. Okay, so the answer is 1580. Okay, let's consider a 4-digit number. Okay, so when you keep on increasing the numbers of a or digits of a multiplier, then we can see a big difference. So 4230 over 2, so which is 2 1 1 and then 5. So the answer is 2115. And next number, so our next number is 5612. So now I'm taking like 4-digit number. So what we need to do now, I'm doing direct steps. So just need to append 0 and then we need to find out the half of this value. 2 2s are 4 and then 8 2s are 16, and we need to consider 12. So that's why we need to set 0 here, and then 6, because 2 6 are 12, and then 0, one more 0. So the answer is 28060. See, we can directly write our answer. Okay, so this is the number we got once you multiply with the 5. Okay, and let's consider one more digit. So our next number is 68456. Okay, so what we need to do just append 10. So that means we are multiplying with the 10, then we will do half of this number. Okay, so 3, then 4, then 2, then 2 again, then 8, then 0. Okay, so the remainder is 0, and that's the answer. So when you multiply this number, the above number, with the 5, we will get 342,280. Okay, so let's consider a few more big examples. So what's the concept? One more time I am explaining. We are not multiplying directly with the 5, we will multiply with the 10 and then we will find out the half of that number. Okay, so that's the concept behind here when you multiply with the 5. Okay, so let's do our next one. 8 1 2 4, 8 1 2 4 7. So it's a now 5-digit number. So now if you do conventional method, it's very hard, it will take very long time. Okay, just append 0 and find the half of value. So 4 2s are 8, then you need to consider 12. So 0, 6, then 2, 3, 5. See how fast we are getting values even for a big numbers. Okay, so let's do one more question. So let's consider one more question. 7, 8, 6, 9, 4, 5, 3. Okay, so then times 5. Okay, so just need to append 0, and then so we need to find out the half of this value, so which is 3, then 9, 2 9s are 18, then 3 2s are 6, then 4 2s are 8, 1 remainder, 7 2s are 14, then again 2 2s are 4, then 1 remainder, so which is 6 2s are 12, 6, and then 1 0 10, so which is 5. Okay, so the value is how to read this value, wait, okay, 39,347,265. so big. Okay, so even this much big value we are doing just in fraction of seconds. Okay, so let's consider one more example even bigger than this. Okay, so 8 2 4 6 5 4 8 9. Okay, so now I'm taking like 8 numbers. Is it 8? Yeah, 6 8. Yeah, just need to append. Okay, and then we need to do half of this number. Okay, so what's the half of this value? So 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2 3s are 6, 2 3, then again 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, so we need to take 1 here, and then 7 2s are 14, so 7, then 4 2s are 8, 4, then 3 2 4s are 8, again 4, and then 1 remainder 10, which is 2 5s are 10. Wow, see how much big it is. Still we are able to do in fraction of seconds. So let me read this value, 412,327,445. Okay, yeah, so that's it. Okay, so I hope you got all the concept what I'm saying. So one more time I want to revise the concept behind this. Actually we can multiply any number by 5 in very easy way. So what's that way? The first step you need to do, you need to multiply with the 10. Okay, means just you need to append one 0 behind that number, and then we should find out the half of that number. So it's so easy to find out a half for any number. Okay, just we need to divide with the 2. Okay, so multiplying by 5, or if you are doing the same thing by multiplication by 10, and then if you do half of that number, means we are doing multiplication by 5, right? Okay, so that's the basic concept behind this one. Okay, I hope you got all my points whatever I am saying. So if you have any doubts, you do let me know, or if you are couldn't able to solve any question, you can do any questions with this method. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.